Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this small tumbleweed bubble skin in Fish It game of Roblox, Copper Canyon, and Path Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the small tumbleweed looks like. And I'm going to equip the bubble skin. And if you want to get this bubble skin, you need to complete the quest from the Outlaw. First, you're going to go to the Copper Canyon Island and you're going to find the Outlaw NPC. Oops, it's right there. You can go to this area and you're going to meet him right here. Oh, I'm drowned. Oh, it's dark, so okay. Okay, you can find the Outlaw NPC here and you're going to take the quest. And after you take the quest, you're going to find barrels. You're going to fish here to catch the barrels and you're going to go back to the Outlaw to claim your reward. I've already finished the quest. The quest is called the Charitable Donation. This one. Okay, you need to catch a few barrels. Just do fishing here guys and you will get the barrel. Then just talk to him and claim your tumbleweed bubble skin as the reward from the quest. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the tumbleweed bubble skin in Fish It game of Roblox. New update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.